Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to create YouTube timestamps in just seconds. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. For creating the timestamps, we are going to use this super cool AI tool called as Gravitywrite. So firstly, let us just create our free account on this. Click on the start for free and you can just log into this or sign up with this. Now here we are on the dashboard of Gravitywrite. This tool will be immensely useful for you if you are a content creator, so especially on your social media or YouTube. So it will be allowing us to have these tools like for our blogs or e-commerce, and for the email marketing, for the idea generation and whatnot. So here for today's category we are going with YouTube, and here we have something like YouTube idea generation, titles and thumbnails, YouTube script creator, description and tags, and finally timestamps. So we need to just go to here, and here we need to give the video script. So for that we can just go back to our video, so the uploaded video on YouTube. And now here let's say that this is your video, and here we have this three dots. Click on the show transcript. So you can just copy this transcript and just like this, and once you are done, copy this, and now we just need to paste it. Now once I have pasted it onto the script, click on this create content and just wait for a few seconds so that you can just see like how this works like a magic for us. So here you can see that here we got this timestamps, and these are pretty accurate for me for the video. And you can just copy this timestamps, and then you can even use this copy button that is here, or else you can even download it. So whatever is something that you want, you can do that. And after that you can just paste it in your description like this, and once you are done with this editing, click on the save. And now you can see on my video, so here in the description it is included, and here you can see like how it is appearing as all chapters. So you can just click on this to go to that particular chapter. So it is as simple as. Isn't that super fast? And it is really quick and effective way to add timestamps to your YouTube video with very less effort. So I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, guys.